This video is sponsored by Value Testers. Hot preseason promo deals on Bacharach, Testo, combustion analyzers. Check out Value Testers for a full preview of specials, deals, and promos. Best tool company on the web, no one compares. Description and link below. Morning guys, November 14th, 2018. This one I gotta go winterize the summer house. So I do a lot of these down in this area. Try to get you some shots when I get there. I did this one last year. I do it pretty much. I got, I don't know, 5 or 6 of them down, 4 or 5 of them, 4, 5, 6 of them down there that I do every year. So shut it down. It's got electric heat in there. I mean, to run that thing all winter, it's be crazy money. They winterize it. It'll cost them a lot, probably altogether maybe $300. I mean, it's a lot cheaper for them. They don't have to worry about, you know, any pipes freezing. It's just a win-win for everybody. So try to get you some shots. It's already off?
It's off now. I'm just trying to get the cover off. Come out of it.
That thing's way down in there.
Oh, I'm saying the whole thing came out.
So it should be off, right?
It's off now.
Make sure it shuts off before he leaves. So. We shut all the power off with electric water heater and whatnot. Shut all the 220s off. Need to get a reading on that?
Yeah, read it.
Oh, it's right downstairs. I got the light down there.
Alright, you want to just sign over here? I'll go with the reading. Oh, there's a light down there?
Up light.
Alright, cool.
Yeah, I got the truck running for the dog, for heat for the dog, so hot water tank. Well, we're gonna shut all the 220s off because there ain't nothing I need 220 for. So electric heat and the water heater, everything's off. I got the meter out, water's off, and I'm going in the top of the water heater here. Pushing the water right out the water heater into the drain there. We'll get the water heater all pumped out, and then we'll go around and do all the other faucets. Miss Molly. It's my buddy, Miss Molly. How's it going, Mama? How's it going? My golly, it's Miss Molly. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I got the heat going for you. It's going nice and toasty in here. It's going nice and toasty. All right, I'm gonna get my pump and pump out the toilets while we're waiting. The shower's been winterized. The plug's out of it. The guys from the maintenance place. There's a maintenance department in this whole complex. They come and winterize all these, so that's fine. We'll make sure the toilets. Pump the toilet out while the water heater's draining. water heaters. I think it's all drained out. Go around and get all the water out of everything a couple of times. This might be off. I'm not sure if it's off in the cellar because, yeah, they must have shut this off. Like I said, I'll go around a couple of times and get it all out. Make sure it's all good. See, they got all electric heat. I mean, plug this refrigerator back in so we can get the water out of it. This is even better. It's gonna be a spitter. Gotta get all that water out of there. So the air's pushing it all out. See it? A little dusty. Got a water filter underneath. Show you. It's not a. It's just a filter housing. It's not electric, so. Gandhi. After we're done with the water, we'll go around and winterize all the traps with antifreeze. Not rocket science. Somebody with half a brain could do this. You got half a brain, you're hired. the next thing I do is the dishwasher. It's a Bosch. Put on normal, regular, start, regular. And what it's going to do is it's going to push, the air is going to push all the water into here, then we'll antifreeze it and dump it. Alright, so this is done. We're going to unplug this, open the doors. I will put something in there so the doors can't shut. Put something there, I don't know what yet, but put this there so it can't shut. That'll work. Shower. One more I gotta do over here. There's a pipe sticking out here. There used to be an outside faucet, but it's not hooked up. Just gotta get the water out of it. I don't know if you can see if it's too dark, but alright, we're done. Oh, the other thing I gotta do is that outside front one. Oh. Right here. It's frost free, so I don't know why they're doing it, but whatever. Alright, good. I open up all the valves after I blow it all out and just put some antifreeze in there, in the drains. Put some in the toilet there. Make sure everything's open, everything's drained back, blown out with air. I mean, it shouldn't be an issue. Make sure everything's open. And all the traps I gotta get antifreeze. Same thing with the washing machine here. Antifreeze it. We'll just give this thing a spin, and this antifreeze will dump and winterize that trap. Gotta put it on spin though. There she goes, she's ramping up. She's ramping up, mama. What we'll do is we'll put this on cancel and they'll dump it. No, winterize this. Cancel. You push these two. I hear it dumping. Make sure this is gonna take this off here. I found taking these off is a good idea, because if not, you have a problem with them. You can hear it draining. Winterize this trap here, and this will be the last one. Open this up. I went around a couple of times, made sure everything was, you know, blown out good. I've done this house a bunch of times, so it's not a big deal. I know how to do it. Hot tub. Make sure everything's open. I did open the main valve downstairs, the water heater. That's all back together.
this off. Leave that open. That's all done too. So everything is, you know, left open so it can breathe. The water meter's disconnected downstairs, dumped. Everything's all set. All the 220 powers are off. So we gotta shut the water heater off before you drain it. That's it, I'm done. Pick up my stuff and get out of here. Alright, so I shut the water heater off. I did open the main valve there. That other main valve coming in, I got that off. They dumped that water meter out. The only thing I gotta do is I gotta cobwebs down here. I just gotta winterize this trap. I got some antifreeze here. I gotta winterize that trap and then I'm done. I'll put a little Gundy in there. It won't be good. This dehumidifier is unplugged. That's it. It's done. How can you be shivering with the heat on in here? I mean, it's 70 degrees in here. Just a chihuahua. Alright, just a chihuahua. Let's see, you got sleepies? It's my girl. Huh? Miss Molly. A little puppy dog. You're a little puppy dog. Yeah, you're a little puppy. You're a little puppy dog.